Since you were here last year, we also covered the activities, very successful activities last year. Sir Chris, so for this year po, what are also the other activities lined up aside from the swings? Presentation?
So for tomorrow, so in 2 days there's going to be the swimsuit presentation, and tomorrow there's going to be a party over there, a luau party.
Thank you po. And I'm sure this is going to be a long-term partnership also with Miss Universe Philippines and Aqua Barangay. Is that so?
Yes, correct.
Thank you so much. Congratulations po.
Okay, so if may add as well, tomorrow we will have a charity event in the morning, like feeding program and cleanup, like the usual. Of course, we always go to Boracay to do something meaningful as well. So it's part of the event.
Good afternoon, Sir Christopher. I'm Paul from Paddles News International. Okay, the question is, as a partner of Miss Universe Philippines, what specific qualities or attributes is Aqua Boracay looking for in the candidates who will be the best representative in the brand for this year? Is still the same as last year or different attributes or qualities for the brand?
As always, I think it's about the contestants, the elegance, the personality, and how can they stand out from the rest. That's what we're looking for.
Thank you.
Hi, Sir Christopher Ferdy from Eventology and Packet Pageant. How many awards are you giving out on Saturday, and what are these awards?
We'll keep that as a surprise for now.
Good luck.